So maybe you guys have noticed that I haven't really been posting that consistent on my page. Well, most of you might know, but I had a baby. She just turned 8 months old, and I've just been, enjoying life with her. I try to keep my private life away from my business, but I started baby-led weaning with her, which is so exciting. So I figured I'd just share some of these amazing baby-led weaning recipes for all my mamas that follow this page. So I'm going to show you guys how I make blueberry pancakes for my almost 8-month-old. So I just have some regular old-fashioned oats that I blended. I went in with around 4 tablespoons of that, around a quarter cup of fresh blueberries, followed by an egg, 2 large pitted dates. This is optional, but I like to use this to substitute for sugar, and this also helps with constipation. A dash of ground cinnamon for flavor, a couple drops of probiotics, 2 ounces of her formula, and then I just blend that until the consistency is smooth. If it's not thick enough, you can always add a little bit more oats. Then I just cook in a little bit of butter for around 3 minutes per side. These blueberry pancakes are amazing because it has a ton of nutrients for your little one. My baby girl loves it. You can freeze the excess batter that's left over, and you can also put a couple of the pancakes in the fridge and pop it in the microwave for the next day.